How to fix the issue where ChatGPT is unable to load your conversations. So if you're seeing this error message, I'm going to show you 3 ways to go and solve this. Now, first thing you need to do is click on the 3 vertical dots in your browser and then go and select Settings. In the left-hand side, click on Privacy and Security and select Third-Party Cookies. Now click on See All Site Data and Permissions. You could then click on the search box and go and type in ChatGPT. Now you should be able to see ChatGPT from this list. Click on the trash icon and then press delete. You can then head back over to the search box and this time type in OpenAI, and you'll also need to do the same for openai.com. So go and click on the trash icon and click on delete. You can then close out of your browser and try checking if that solved the issue. If it's still not working, click on the 3 vertical dots, click on extensions and click on manage extensions. Now what you'll need to do is go and disable any extensions that are currently enabled, and you can just do that by toggling them off like so. You can then restart your browser and check if that solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, click on your profile icon in the bottom left hand side and select settings. Now click on data controls, and where it says export data, click on export. You'll then need to press confirm export. Once you've done that, click on your profile icon and click on log out. Once you've signed out of your ChatGPT account, you'll need to go and sign back in, and that should have now solved the unable to load conversation error.